Alright guys, welcome back to another exciting video. And today, I'm going to be cooking up some coconut curry shrimp for you guys today. And as you can see, I got a clean bowl of shrimp here for a start. And the first thing I want to do is season these up. Alright? Here, I have a few selection of powder seasonings which I will be using. And if you pay attention to the upper corner of your screen, you'll see a list of all the items that I'll be adding to this shrimp. Thank you once again for tuning in. And to all my new viewers, I want to send a big greetings for you guys for joining the channel as well. My name is Chef Kareem. And of course, it's curry recipe, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of the curry powder to it. And I'll just continue to mix that in. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like on this video, and as usual, your feedback is important. Also drop your thoughts down in the comment section as well. This looks perfect so far. So let me just set this aside and we'll start the preparation of the sauce in the meantime. Stay with me. So the second thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to add some vegetable oil to the pot, and you want to do this on medium heat, of course. Here I'm going to be adding some of the curry powder along with some freshly chopped garlic just to burn off that curry and building up the flavor to begin with. I'm all about flavoring my food in every preparation, so if you see something that's new to you, make sure to point that out in the comment section. I also have some turmeric here, but this will be added later on. And as usual, this is a selection of veggies I'm going to be using as well. But at this point, I like to add the chopped ginger along with the sliced onion before anything else, because I want to caramelize these onions a little bit to extract some extra flavor at the start. So let's go. Next step is adding all the shrimp to this, because I can already smell the aroma kicking in from the onion and the garlic along with that curry, which is what we're looking for. I'll just saute these around for the next minute. This is the turmeric that I showed you earlier on. Now it's a perfect time to add this. As you know, this is a very important spice as well. It has a lot of health benefits, and it also helps to enhance a rich yellow color to the dish. So I know you've already seen the title of this video. So now it's the right time to come in with the coconut milk. The coconut milk is mainly to give it some of that tropical flavor and also add essence to the dish. And this is optional, but I'm gonna need some extra gravy. That's the only reason why I'm adding hot water to this. Otherwise, you don't have to add it if you don't want to. At this point, you can just add the rest of the ingredients and allow these to cook evenly by covering the pot for another couple of minutes, allowing the sauce to simmer down some more before adding the finishing touch. have some okra and scallion that I will be adding, but usually there's a time for that. I like to do it at the end because I don't want the okra to be too soft when it's done. So it also helps all the sauce together. So again, simmer for another few minutes and then this should be completed. So this is what it looks like. You see that? Oh my God. A little bit spicy, but the spice is not overpowering. You have this with a little bit of white rice, it should be good. All right,